Here, I welcome to all my dear students. Myself, Dr.J.K.Sali. In the last lecture, we had seen features of forecasting, steps in forecasting, and importance of forecasting. Today, we are going to learn Chapter 2, Understanding Management Planning and Decision Making, and topic Forecasting, Limitations of Forecasting, and Techniques of Forecasting. So, let's start with the limitations and various techniques of forecasting. In this slide, now we will discuss limitations of forecasting. Following are the limitations of forecasting. The first limitations of forecasting is based on assumptions. The future is uncertain. Forecasting about the future, it is based on the past and present data. A manager cannot rely completely on forecasting. The base plan based on the forecasting can be zero. Thereafter, next point is forecasting is not full proof and condition proof. It is not foolproof. It is new techniques are used for forecasting change in the business environment. The plan based on forecasting. Thereafter, next point is long-term forecasting may be inaccurate. Business environment is ever changing. Factor of the business environment like government policies, technology keep on changing. Forecast accurately in the long term and short term forecasting may be accurate than the long term. Changes take place in the short term. And the last limitation of forecasting is coordination becomes difficult. It is required proper coordination among the different departments. Within departments is an organization. Coordination in the organization, accuracy of the forecasting. So, these were the various limitations of forecasting. In this slide, now we will discuss techniques of forecasting. There are various methods or techniques of forecasting. The first is historical analog method. Under this method, forecast regarding a particular situation on some conditions in the past. It is based on the belief that future trends develop in the same direction as past trends. Thereafter, next point is time series analysis. This analysis involves of historical series, its various components, and random vacancies. The various components of time series are separated. The variation of particular situation can be known over the period of time can be made about the future. Data using analysis comprise the use of significant model to future conclusion based on past outcomes. Next point is extrapolation. It is a useful method of forecasting. It is based on the assumption that development will continue in the same direction with speed. Past behavior of data or trend is established. Next point is regression analysis. This analysis to find out the relation moments two or more interrelated series. It is the changes in variable as a result of specified changes in other variables. For example, including information about weather condition, improve the ability of model to predict umbrella cells. Thereafter, next point is input-output analysis. The relationship is known, the forecast. Output can be made on the input. Similarly, the requirement can be forecasted based on output required. Thereafter, next point is business parameters. The technique is used to forecast in overall economic activities. This method is based on the approach of developing an index of economic indicators. Forecasting future, analyzing the moment in these indicators. The assumption that the past patterns to repeat themselves in the future. Next point is morphological analysis. The analysis method is used to forecast technological changes. The method breaks down a system, product, or process into essential subconcepts. Each concept representing in a multidimensional matrix. Thereafter, next point is panel method. In this method, a group of experts come together in a room and discuss event until emerges. The expertise combined. However, due to the group, one person with a strong personality can have effect on the forecast. And the last point is Delphi technique. This method seeks to aggregate opinion from set of experts. It done without having to bring together for a physical meeting. Each member of the group, each questionnaire with instruction to comment each topic, and based on the personal opinion, experience, or previous research. A copy of the complaint comments to each participant along with the opportunity to comment future. So these were the various techniques of forecasting. Thank you.